Study the series combination of resistors. Okay, these resistors can be connected in series as well as they can also be connected in parallel. So first series combination ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. Okay, so let's see. The number of resistors are said to be connected in a series if they are connected end to end such that same current is flowing through all the resistors and potential difference across the combination is equal to the potential difference across the individual resistors. Okay, number of resistors are said to be connected in series if they are connected end to end such that same current is flowing through all the resistors ಎಲ್ಲದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸೇಮ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಬೇಕು all the resistors and potential difference across the combination is equals to potential is equals to sum of potential difference across each resistors ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So number of resistors are said to be connected in series if they are connected end to end such that same current is flowing through all the resistors and the potential difference across the combination is equal to the sum of potential difference across the each resistor. Okay, that is I must be same. Okay, and V is equal to ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ V1 plus V2 plus V3. ಓಕೆ, ಮೂರು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮೂರು ಬರಬಹುದು. ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತೀನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಬೈ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? V is equal to IR ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ V equal to IR. Okay, then next one, applying, that is the potential difference across R1 is given by V1 is equal to current is I and resistance is R1. Equation number 3 and okay. So similarly, the potential difference across R2 that is given by V2 is equal to I into R2. Equation number 4 ಅಂತಂದೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Okay, similarly the potential difference across R3 that is given by V3 is equal to I into S2 R3. Equation number 5 ಅಂತಂದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, now this combination of circuit, combination of resistors is replaced by a single resistor RS. Okay, that is given in the equivalent circuit diagram. Then V is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹರಿಲಿಕತ್ತದ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ I ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹರಿಲಿಕತ್ತದ and this is RS. Okay, equation number ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾನು equation number 6. When a circuit is combination circuit is replaced by the single equivalent circuit. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. When the combination circuit is replaced by single equivalent circuit, single equivalent circuit, then V is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I into RS, equation number 6 ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, now the most important thing, put equation ಯಾವುದು 3, equation 4, equation 5, ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ equation 6. Okay, in equation ಯಾವುದು 1 ಇದರೊಳಗ. Okay, then V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳು, I into RS. Okay, next V1 means I into R1. V2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ I into R2. V3 means I into R3. Okay, so now I into RS as it is ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So I is taken common, then R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, I get cancelled, then we get RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the final expression for the equivalent resistance of the resistors connected in series. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Okay. Where RS is the equivalent resistance of the resistors connected in series. Okay, 3 resistors ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ R1 R2 R3 ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಎರಡೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ R1 plus R2. Instead of 2 n number of resistors ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dash 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 plus Rn. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So if all these n number of resistors having the same magnitude, ಅಂದ್ರೆ R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to R4 is equal to dash 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 is equal to Rn is equal to R ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ RS is equal to ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? R plus R plus R plus R plus tim plus R. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರಿ? n times. Therefore RS is equal to ಏನು? n into R. If n number of resistors of equal magnitude are connected in series, then equivalent resistance RS is equal to n into R. Magnitude of resistance, n is the number of resistors. 10 resistors ಅದಾವು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಓಮ್ ಅದ. ಅವಾಗ RS ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 10 into 2 is equal to 20. ಬಹಳ ಸರಳ. ಸೊ then R is equal to 20 ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಏನು? ವೆನ್ number of resistors are connected in series, then the equivalent resistance of those resistors is always greater than the greatest ಅಥವಾ highest value of the resistance. Okay, for example, R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm, R3 is equal to 4 ohm. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But RS always ಇರ್ತದೆ greater than 4 ಇರ್ತದೆ, highest value of resistance ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it should be greater than 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, 3 and 4 means it will be 9. So these are the important points regarding the series combination of resistors. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will discuss about the parallel combination of resistors. Okay, thank you.